In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PTO to your Google Calendar and fully automate the process. This is a fantastic way to streamline your work and ensure that everyone who needs to know about your upcoming time off is informed in advance. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by heading over to calendar.google.com and logging in with your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're on the main calendar page, take a moment to look at the layout and get familiar with it if you're not already, so at home here. Next, look for either the plus button or the create button, depending on how your calendar is set up. Clicking this will bring up several options for new events. We're interested in selecting out of office from this list. This step defines the nature of the event, ensuring your calendar reflects accurately that you won't be available during this period. Once you've selected out of office, you can focus on entering the dates for your time off. Carefully input both the start and end dates for your PTO. This way your absence is noted clearly, making it easier for others to schedule around your availability. Double check these dates to avoid any accidental extensions or premature cutoffs. Now here's a great feature to take advantage of. You can decide how you want your calendar to manage incoming meeting requests during your PTO. You'll have the option to automatically decline meetings, which is super convenient if you are completely disconnecting. Alternatively, if a personalized touch is more your style, some setups offer the ability to send a custom message in your absence notification. This can be especially useful if you're in a role where a brief message detailing alternative points of contact is appropriate. After setting up the automatic response you prefer, you'll also need to determine the visibility of your PTO event. This is your opportunity to control who can see your absence on the calendar. You may wish to make it visible to everyone, or limit it to only those within your organization, helping maintain privacy and efficiency. Finally, be sure to click Save. This crucial step adds the event to your calendar, finalizing the setup and ensuring that everything is recorded properly. Voila! You have successfully scheduled your PTO into your Google Calendar and automated it to handle meeting requests smoothly. This process is a simple yet effective way to enhance your work-life balance by alleviating the need to manually manage your calendar while away. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.